Enhance your home with the Ronan Traverse Rod with Runner for Ripple Fold. In this video, we'll take you step by step through installing the Ronan system, including single, double, and angle configurations. The Ronan rod features openings on both sides. The shallow opening is used for installing brackets and connectors, while the deeper opening is designed for runners. Step 1. Assemble the rod. For rods longer than 78 inches, use the rod connector to join the sections. Shorter rods do not require a connector. Position the connector at the center of the rod. Then use the Allen key to tighten and secure. The connector helps ensure runners glide smoothly. Step 2. Install brackets. For wall mount brackets, slide the bracket into the rod from one side. Make sure the curved side aligns with the rod profile and leave space for the end caps. Tighten with the Allen key, keeping the washer in place. For ceiling mount brackets, insert the bracket with the raised tab facing downward. Slide it into the rod from one side, leave space for the end caps, and tighten with the Allen key. Step 3. Install runners. Install the runners first. When only one runner remains, install the locking bracket set, leaving space for the end cap. Secure the locking bracket set and end cap together to prevent the drapery from being overpulled. This setup is for a single panel. If you're installing split panels, confirm the number of pleats first. Cut the connecting cord between the runners at the center, then secure a locking bracket set and end cap on each side. This allows the drapery to open from both sides toward the center. Step 4. Mark and drill. Measure the spacing for wall mount or ceiling mount brackets. For double rods with ceiling mount, confirm the spacing between the two panels to determine the vertical distance between brackets. Mark the drilling points at the installation location, making sure all points are level. Drill the holes and install wall anchors as needed. For wall mount, remove the bracket base first. Align the center of the base with the marked point and secure it with screws. Then tighten the decorative cover onto the base and mount the assembled rod. For ceiling mount, secure the assembled rod, runners, and brackets directly to the marked points. Step 5. Hang the drapery. Installation for the Ronan Angle Traverse Rod follows the same steps, with the addition of the angle connector. Please note, the angle connector does not allow runners to pass through the angle. Your Ronan Traverse Rod is now installed. See the included guide for more details.